What's up guys, my name is Matt Wolverine and welcome to another unboxing video. Today I bought this DVD which just came out 2 days ago, and it is a Disney Pixar movie and it is Luca. So without further ado, let's unbox this. Right, here's a cover here. I'm guessing this is Luca and his friend. I know that his brother, I think, and their friend. Well, because I have not seen the movie yet. Here's a nice cover in the background. No guy is sitting on the island, I think. It's rated U. It's by Disney Pixar. Here's a spine, Disney Pixar Luca, rated U. And here's a back, here's a picture. And it says here, a fun-filled adventure of friendship on the Italian Riviera. Okay, must have set in Italy then. Cool. And the runtime is 91 minutes long. And it's rated U for very mild violence, threat and language. And here's a disc with the same as other Disney movies, just same as this. And also it says PG on there as well. Right, like I said, I have not seen this movie, and I know it's a very good movie. Like other Pixar movies. It's at Cars 2. And yeah. And also this is the 24th Pixar movie they ever released. And yeah, so yeah, I'm looking forward to watch this later today. And then maybe either tomorrow or later this week I will do a video of all my collection of Disney Pixar DVD collection. So watch out for that. Alright, that's it for this video. Oh, and also there'll be another video of unboxing on Friday. So I think here's the parcel came. Right, yeah, that's it for this video. Like and subscribe for more videos. My name is Matt Wolverine, and I see you guys in the next video.